In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import data into Airtable. We'll walk through the full process from opening the right base to confirming that your records imported correctly. If you're moving information from a CSV file, an Excel spreadsheet, or another table format, Airtable makes the process fairly straightforward, but taking a few extra moments during setup can help you avoid messy data later. Start by opening the Airtable base where you want to add your data. This is important because the import will happen inside that specific workspace and base. So you want to make sure you're in the correct location before doing anything else. And if your base already contains related tables, it's also a good idea to quickly look around and confirm where the imported information should live. Next, choose whether you want to import the data into a new table or bring it into an existing one. This decision depends on how your base is organized. If the file contains a completely separate set of records, creating a new table may be the better option. If the data belongs alongside information you already have, importing into an existing table can save time and keep everything connected. Once you've made that choice, upload your file. Airtable supports common formats like CSV, Excel, and other spreadsheet style files. As the file loads, Airtable will begin reading the structure of your data so it can help prepare the import. Make sure the file you're uploading is clean and organized, since the import usually works best when each column has a clear header and each row represents one record. After the upload, you'll move into field mapping. This is where you match each column from your file to the appropriate Airtable field. Take your time here because correct mapping helps ensure your data lands exactly where it should. If a column should go into a specific field, verify that it's matched properly before continuing. You'll also want to check the field types. Look closely at things like dates, numbers, text, and attachments to make sure Airtable is interpreting them correctly. A date field, for example, should be recognized as a date rather than plain text, and numeric values should appear as numbers if you plan to sort, filter, or calculate with them later. Before finalizing anything, review the import preview. This sample view lets you catch issues early, such as misaligned columns or incorrectly formatted values. If something looks off, this is the best time to fix it. When everything looks right, confirm the import and let Airtable create the new records. After the import is complete, do a quick check of the table to make sure the data appears as expected and that all records were added correctly.